Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming Compressor is installed and allowed to access Final Cut Pro libraries. This ensures seamless handoff. Once done, open your FCP timeline and select the clips or master file you want to encode. Then send directly to Compressor or export an XML. Choose or build a starting preset that matches your target codec and container, and set a clear destination path and file name convention so files land where you expect. Now fine-tune how Compressor will process media. Pick the codec and bitrate strategy. Use ProRes for masters versus H, 264/H, 265 for delivery, because each choice affects quality and file size. Make sure frame rate and resolution match your deliverable. Set color space to Rec. 709 for broadcast or Rec. 2020 for HDR projects. Add any LUTs, denoise, or scaling filters, and configure audio sample rate and codec. Finally, set job actions so completed files automatically copy to your final delivery location. With your batch assembled, name it clearly and click Start Batch to begin encoding. Compressor will run jobs concurrently according to available cores. Monitor progress in the Jobs pane and inspect any warnings in the log so you can tweak settings for subsequent batches. Once finished, verify outputs visually and by checking audio waveforms and file metadata. If you encounter failed jobs, clear the cache, restart Compressor, and requeue the job. This often resolves transient read/write or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.